Hi there, students. To clamber. To clamber. And you might find the noun as well, a clamber, but I think you're more likely just to meet the verb to clamber. So to clamber is to climb with difficulty. It's related to the word to climb. To clamber is a way of climbing with difficulty, particularly when you're using your hands and feet. To clamber into somewhere, to clamber up something, to clamber across something. Yeah, to climb with difficulty using your hands and feet. He clambered over the rocks. He clambered up the rocks. She clambered into bed. She was tired and a bit drunk. Yeah, I clambered onto the bus because I was really tired and it was Monday morning and I didn't want to go to work. Well, that's very typical, isn't it? Okay, so to climb with difficulty, to scramble, particularly climbing on all fours up something. Yeah, so particularly clamber up, clamber over, clamber across. The bridge was just a single piece of wood with a rope to hold, and he clambered across the bridge. Okay, so this is to effectively to climb, but with problems, to climb awkwardly, with effort, particularly using your hands and feet. He clambered up the hill. Yeah, he clambered into the chamber. Yeah. Okay, so how about as a noun? Yeah, I was exhausted after my clamber up the hill. Let's see, I'm trying to think of an example of using this metaphorically, but I think nearly always we use this physically, talking about physical climbing. He clambered in a leisurely way up the tree. But yeah, the plants clambered over the trunk of the tree. I don't think we can use this verb metaphorically. Maybe you could find a good metaphorical example. I'm sure someone out there will find a brilliant one for me. Okay, so let's see, to clamber, a regular verb. He clambered into bed. He has clambered up several trees before this. And formality, I'm going to give this a 5, maybe even a 4.5. I think I'm going to give it a 5. Use it anywhere, slightly on the more informal side, but use it in any position, informally and formally. Yeah, to climb with difficulty, to climb awkwardly. Yeah, it's not an easy climb, it's a clamber. Yeah, I know it's quite a clamber up those stairs, but when you get to the top, the view is worth it. He clambered up the steep steps of the tower. And then as to origin, okay, it's probably from an Old English word, clam, which was the past tense of climben, or climben, to climb. And it's a cognate of maybe the Low German word klemperen or klemmeren, to climb. Or there's also a Danish cognate, clamre, to cling to. Okay, so to clamber through the jungle, to clamber over obstacles. Yeah, to climb with difficulty. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To clamber.